For the simple border, for the corner to corner, you're going to attach your color to any of these spaces between the tiles. I'm already attached right here. And you're going to do a single crochet, then chain 2. And then in the next tile, or in a corner, here I'm in a corner, you're going to single crochet. And in every corner, do chain 2 and another single crochet. Then chain 2, single crochet in the next space, chain 2, single crochet in the next space. To do our picot edging, what we're going to do is do a single crochet in any single crochet stitch of that simple border. Then we'll do a single crochet, chain 2 space, chain 3. And we're going to do a slip stitch in that first chain. Slip stitch and a single crochet in that same chain 2 space. Okay, we're going to just repeat that. Single crochet in the single crochet, single crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, slip stitch to the first chain, single crochet in the chain 2 space, single crochet in the single crochet stitch, chain 2 space, chain 3, slip stitch to the first chain, and single crochet the chain 2 space, single crochet and single crochet. Here's your corner. You're just going to do the same thing. Single, chain 3, slip stitch, single crochet in that chain 2 space, and then just continue on around the corner, repeating all the way around. Okay, so slip stitch the beginning stitch and fasten off. There you have it.